In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV to Airtable. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Airtable base, so you can confidently bring in spreadsheet data without breaking anything or getting lost in the settings. First, open the Airtable base where you want your data to live. On the far right of your list of tables, you'll see an option to add something new. Click the Add or Import button. This is Airtable's way of asking whether you want to start from scratch or bring in data from somewhere else, like a CSV file. From the menu that appears, look for the option that mentions CSV and select it. CSV just means comma-separated values, which is a simple file format that most spreadsheet tools can export. Airtable understands this format really well, which makes it ideal for importing. Next, it's time to upload your file. You can either drag and drop your CSV file directly into the upload area, or click the button to browse your computer and select it manually. Once you've chosen the correct file, click Upload File and wait a moment while Airtable processes it. If your file is large, give it a few extra seconds. After the upload, you'll see a configuration screen. This part is important because it controls how your data will appear in Airtable. At the top, decide whether you want to create a brand new table or import the data into an existing table. Creating a new table is usually safer if you're experimenting or not completely sure how the data will line up. You'll also see an option to use the first row as headers. In most CSV files, the first row contains your column titles like name, email, or date. Keep this turned on unless your file is formatted differently. There's also an option called Auto Select Field Types. Leave this enabled so Airtable can automatically guess whether a column should be text, a number, a date, and so on. Still, don't skip the preview. Look through each column and click the drop-downs if you need to adjust the field type, for example, changing something from text to number or to a proper date field. This is also a good time to rename any columns so they're clear and consistent. Once everything looks right, go ahead and click Import. Airtable will create or update the table, and your CSV data will now be available in your base, ready to filter, sort, and link just like any other Airtable table.